हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम यू टू मोटिवेशन क्लासेस। तो फ्रेंड्स, मैंने आप सभी को बताया था कि हम लोग सेल चैप्टर का कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए क्वेश्चन आंसर स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये क्वेश्चन आंसर पूरे चैप्टर से है, तो ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है, तो आप लोग ये क्वेश्चन आंसर नोट कर सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु डिस्कवर्ड डेड सेल? Answer, Robert Hooke. When? 1665. Next, who discovered living cells? Answer, A.V. Leeuwenhoek. When? 1674. Next, name the book in which Robert Hooke published his thesis. Answer, Micrographia. Next, name the fluid present inside the living cells. Answer, protoplasm. Next question, what is the difference between the dead cells and living cells? Answer, dead cells do not contain the living fluid protoplasm and living cells contain the living fluid protoplasm. Next question, who proposed cell theory? Answer, M.J. Sladen and Soyan. Next, who added the point in cell theory omnis cellula e cellula? Answer, the German pathologist Rudolf Virchow. Next question, why viruses are not under cell theory? Answer, viruses are not considered as a true cell because they show living characteristics when they enter inside the another living being. Next question, difference between unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Answer, unicellular organisms are made up of a single cell, for example, amoeba. When multicellular organisms are made up of more than one cell. Answer, higher plants and animals. Next question, full form of PPLO. Answer, pleuropneumonia-like organisms. Next, name the largest and longest cell in animals. Answer, largest cell in animals is ostrich egg and longest cell in animals is nerve cell. Next question, which cells can change their shapes? Answer, amoeba and white blood cells. Next, name three major parts of cell. Answer, plasma membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm. Next, by which substances plasma membrane is formed? Answer, phospholipids and proteins. Next question, why plasma membrane is called selective permeable membrane? Answer, because it allows some selective substances to come inside the cell and to go out from the cell. Next, who explained fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane and when? Answer, Singer and Nicholson explained fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane in 1972. Next question, which substances are present in cell wall? Answer, cellulose, suberin, lignin. Next question, name the main four parts of nucleus. Answer, nuclear envelope, nucleus, nucleoplasm and chromatin material. Next question, which part of nucleus is called factory of ribosome? Answer, nucleolus. Next, full form of DNA and RNA. Answer, DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. When RNA means ribonucleic acid. Next, name the protein which is present in DNA. Answer, histone protein. Next, difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Answer, in prokaryotic cells, a true nucleus is not present. Here, chromatin material is not bounded by nuclear envelope. In eukaryotic cells, a true nucleus is present. Here, genetic material is bounded by nuclear envelope. Next, what is nucleoid? Answer, a genetic material present in prokaryotic cell which is not bounded by nuclear envelope is known as nucleoid. Next, name the part of cell where metabolic reactions takes place. Answer, cytoplasm. Next question, which cell organelle is called powerhouse of the cell? Answer, mitochondria. Next, name the F1 particles of mitochondria. Answer, oxysome. Next, name the pigment present in chromoplast. Answer, carotenoid. All are coloring pigments present except green. Next, which plastid helps in photosynthesis? Answer, chloroplast, due to presence of green pigment chlorophyll. Next question, mention different types of leucoplast. Answer, amyloplast, which helps to store starch, aleuroplast, which helps to store protein, and elaioplast, which helps to store oil. Next, where chlorophyll is present in chloroplast? Answer, thylakoids. Next, difference between smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Answer, smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not contain ribosomes on their surface, and rough endoplasmic reticulum contain ribosomes on their surface. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in lipid synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in protein synthesis. Next question, define dictyosome. Answer, when Golgi apparatus present in plant cell as separate units is known as dictyosome. Next question, why lysosome is called suicide bags of cell? Answer, it contains digestive enzymes which helps in digesting cell components and unwanted particles. In damaged cell, lysosome release enzymes to digest their own cell and causing the cell to die. That's why lysosome is known as suicide bags of the cell. Next, name the membrane of vacuoles. Answer, tonoplast. Next question, mention different types of vacuoles. Answer, food vacuoles, sap vacuoles and contractile vacuoles. तो ये चैप्टर यहीं पे खत्म होता है. बहुत जल्द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. अगर कोई डाउट हो तो आप लोग कमेंट में मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं और मेरे चैनल को आप लोग शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक करें और मुझे मोटिवेट कीजिए. थैंक यू.